Hey, welcome to another great video. Stay outside and explore. Today, let's find out how to get the spare tire that's right there down and away, and let's just see how it works. I mean, wouldn't want to find this out if I'm stranded on the road and I don't have a spare tire. I know there's one there, but I don't know what condition it is in. So let's find out. And the other thing I think I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the hitch just so it's not in my way. So just to speed things up a little bit, I did pull my crank from my jack. It's underneath there. So let's just see what this all entails. And maybe this could be a learning experience for someone else. Because right now, I'm doing it kind of blindsided. I did, I've had other vehicles that had this, but not an Infiniti. So you got the lug wrench. All right, you got to put these together. Just gonna finger tighten them, I guess. And let's see, how did this one go? There we go. All right. So I'm guessing this little doohickey is the thing that cranks your tire down. So I think so. Let's give it a try. Oh, you know what? That's probably what this is for. Yep. You see that? That's some innovation there. So let's crank her down. Did you look at that? First try. You can see the tire is coming down. Oh, now it's going up. It was going down. Here we go. Let's take a look. What's going on down there? So if I did have a flat on the vehicle, I would for sure know what to do, right? So let's pull this out. Nicely, right? In the meantime, you got cars speeding along, waving past you. And I got this. So, let's see. Let's see what we got here. So I'm on the ground. But I don't think I have enough slack in there, so let's give it a little more slack. Because I'll tell you one thing, I had what did I have? A Ford Ranger, 1990 Ford Ranger, brand new, and I had a blowout. There we go. And a couple months prior to me having a blowout, I did this just to make sure, and it was rusted. It didn't come loose at the time when I was doing it. But when I had the blowout, I was so happy that I was able to do that. So I'm glad I'm learning this now. Then, let's say on the highway or something, that would not be cool. All right, I got it free. Don't hit your head on the crank. So, here it is. You can see temporary use only. But there she is. So I'm gonna get a gas or a gauge and see how much air we got in there. Hang tight. This is a little dirty. That's okay. It's a temporary situation here. All right, let's see how much air we got in here. 13 pounds. Oh wait, 21. 21 pounds. Let's put some air in there. Okay, I got the air compressor pumped up. Let's fill it with some air. All right. I said it was at 21 pounds. Let's see. 25 pounds. We're getting up there. All right, let's see. 30 pounds. I'm going to put it about 32, 33. £32 pounds. You see that? That's what I'm going to put it at. The other thing I'm going to do is blow out my phone. It's so dusty from being in my pocket. That's a little bit better. It just gets so dusty when it's being in my pocket here. Sometimes it's hard to, when I plug it in, it doesn't want to charge up the battery, so then I got to clean it out inside with like a, not a clothespin, but a paper clip. I undo it and then do that. So, all right, let's go back to putting the tire back on and call it a day. One thing I noticed, that right there, if you can see it, that's an air compressor that makes the the vehicle even when you put a little weight on it. So yeah, that's an air compressor right there. Every once in a while I hear it running when if I've got some weight on the vehicle, like a trailer or something like that. So now I know where it is. I knew I had it, I just didn't know where it was, but there where it is. Right. Time to raise up the spare tire. I don't know if you can see it, but it's going up very nicely. There. Nice and tight. Got the rod out. Let's check it out. It's up there. See that? Ain't going nowhere till I have to lower it. Well, that was a very good informational video. I'm glad I was able to do this in case I do have a flat tire. Hope I never do on here, but I at least know now what to do in case of an emergency. So if you find this video informational, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome too. And again, thank you for all the people that do subscribe to my channel. You know, I'm trying. I want to get up there just like the rest of the popular channels, and good hard work, I'll get there. Just don't give up. All right, appreciate everybody watching, and I'll have another video coming up real soon. Again, thanks for watching. This is Stay Outside and Explore.